Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dola AI server errors. A full guide for 2026. If you're getting messages like server error or the app isn't responding, these steps will help. First, check if Dola AI's servers are online. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Visit their official status page or social media for any outage updates. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dola AI needs a reliable connection. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if needed. Then restart your browser or the Dola AI app. Temporary glitches can trigger server errors, and a quick restart often resolves it. Clear your browser cache and cookies and disable unnecessary extensions or VPNs. Old data or conflicting add-ons can sometimes cause server errors. Finally, try a different browser or device. Switching from Chrome to Edge or from PC to laptop can help determine if the issue is local or account specific. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes server errors in Dola AI. If it's still not working, contact support. They can check account specific problems. Thanks for watching.